Imagine a world where the air is cleaner, the skies are bluer, and our energy comes from sources that are not only abundant, but also sustainable. That world is closer than we think, thanks to the rapid advancements in renewable energy technologies, particularly solar and wind power. Let's dive into the numbers. Over the past decade, the cost of solar panels has plummeted by nearly 90%. This dramatic decrease is largely due to innovations in manufacturing and efficiency. Today, solar energy is not just a niche market, it's becoming a mainstream energy source. In fact, in many regions, it's now cheaper to generate electricity from solar than from fossil fuels. Wind energy is also on a remarkable trajectory. With larger turbines and improved design, wind farms are generating more power than ever before. The global wind energy capacity has more than quadrupled since 2000, and it's projected to keep growing. Countries like Denmark and Germany are leading the charge, generating a significant portion of their electricity from wind. But it's not just about the technology, it's about investment too. Governments and private sectors are pouring billions into renewable energy projects. The International Energy Agency predicts that global investment in renewable energy will reach over $2 trillion annually by 2030. This influx of capital is driving innovation, creating jobs, and making renewable energy more accessible to everyone. As these technologies mature, we're seeing a shift in how we think about energy. No longer are we solely reliant on fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to climate change. Instead, we're harnessing the power of the sun and the wind, resources that are abundant and free. This transition is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. The growth of renewable energy sources is also leading to energy independence for many nations. Countries that once relied heavily on imported oil and gas are now investing in their own renewable resources. This shift not only enhances energy security, but also stabilizes economies by reducing vulnerability to volatile fossil fuel markets. Furthermore, the integration of smart technologies is revolutionizing how we consume energy. Smart grids and energy storage solutions are enabling us to use renewable energy more efficiently. Imagine a future where your home can store solar energy during the day and use it at night, or where electric vehicles can feed energy back into the grid during peak demand. This is not science fiction. It's happening now. The benefits of renewable energy extend beyond just reducing carbon emissions. They also promote public health by improving air quality and reducing respiratory diseases linked to fossil fuel pollution. Communities that embrace renewable energy often see economic revitalization, with new jobs in installation, maintenance, and innovation. As we move forward, the challenge will be to ensure that this growth is inclusive and equitable. We must work to provide access to renewable energy for all, particularly in underserved communities. This is not just about technology, it's about creating a sustainable future for everyone. In conclusion, the rise of renewable energy sources like solar and wind is not just a trend, it's a revolution. With continued investment and innovation, these sources are set to become the dominant providers of global energy. Together, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, combat climate change, and build a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. The future is bright and it's powered by the sun and the wind.